all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today's collection is going to be a lovely collection of casual wear sarees. It's going to be a casual wear and perfect office wear collections. Very lovely easy wear maintenance sarees, simple maintenance. All the sarees which you are going to may have just a simple hand wash for these kind of sarees. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. And for whoever new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. And our store is located in Chennai, Mandavali. You can walk into our store from Monday to Saturday from morning 10:30 to evening 8:30. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. A very beautiful khadi silk material. A nice golden zari border on both the sides with and above that we have a bandhani design, and the body is a checks pattern design, looking really classic and very different. Very soft material, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1090. In the same pattern, it's a nice off-white with orange color combination khadi silk material, looking very beautiful, lovely design. This is how the saree looks, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is again a contrast orange color blouse for this saree, and the price of the saree is 1090. Next combination is grey with black. Wow, what a stunning color, lovely combo, beautiful one, grey with black. And the price of this and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is a running black blouse, and the price of the saree is 1090. Next is going to be light pink with red color combination on the border. Very beautiful color combination, light pink with red color combination, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is again a running blouse in red. The next combination is going to be light baby pink with dark pink color combination in the border. Again a very beautiful color combination, lovely pattern. This is the body of the saree, a rose milk pink, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1090. Nice light orange color combination, khadi silk material, more of a kavi color combination with silver zari, and the lovely 1000 butta design in the body. Beautiful one, more of a fusion of the south and the north, because usually 1000 buttas you get in the south, with a nice rich pallu. This is the pallu of the saree, and a plain blouse. This is the blouse of the saree. Such a flowy beautiful material, and the price of this saree is 970. A very beautiful brown color combination in the 1000 butta saree, lovely color combination, beautiful design, khadi silk material again, and the pallu of the saree is this. The body looks like this, and the blouse is a running blouse, and the price of this saree is 970. Next color in the same pattern, it's a very beautiful Ananda blue with 1000 buttas running through the body. The next color combination is light maroon, very light maroon with silver zaris on both the sides with 1000 buttas running through the body. Very classic color, lovely design actually, it looks really beautiful. And all the sarees are priced at 970. The next is a nice light green, more of a parrot green shade with a beautiful 1000 butta, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is a running blouse. The price of the saree is 970. Next is a nice mustard, a very beautiful fenugreek shade, beautiful mustard with 1000 butta, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is a running blouse again. Next is going to be a darker blue shade, more of that we can say it's more like a lighter indigo blue shade, that kind of a shade in the beautiful 1000 butta pattern. And the pallu of the saree is this, blouse is a running blouse, and the price of the saree is 970. The next combo is a mehendi green Nice mehendi green. Beautiful color combination. And the pallu of the sari is this. And the price of this sari is 970. The next is a nice light lime green shade. Beautiful lime green shade with 1000 buttas. Very, very classic, beautiful piece. And the price of this sari is 970. Beautiful Chanderi Bengal sari. It's actually Chanderi material in the Bengal cotton weave. Beautiful color combination. Contrast pink with navy blue color combination. Looks a very classic design. And the body, you have a tilagam pattern design running through the body, all weaved pattern. And the pallu of the sari is this. And the blouse of the sari is a plain blouse. And the price of this sari is 1020. In the same patterns, a nice mango yellow with a pink color combination Chanderi sari. It's all mercerized Chanderi sari, beautiful one in the Bengal weave, all completely weaved pattern. And the pallu of the sari is this, a very beautiful pallu with a contrast blouse in pink. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1020. This material will be really soft and easy maintenance. You don't need to starch nothing. Very, very beautiful one. It's all handloom varieties of Bengal. A very beautiful blue with pink color combination. Nice pattern. More of a korvai pattern border. And the pallu of the sari is this. And the blouse is in contrast pink again. This is the blouse of the sari in pink. And the price of this sari is 1020. The next combination is going to be, what a wow combination. Nice parrot green with pink. The colors are so lovely and stunning. This is the body of the sari. A beautiful green, parrot green with pink color combination. And the pallu of the sari is this. And the blouse is in contrast pink. And the price of this sari is 1020. A very soft khadi silk material. A very, very beautiful, such a flowy, lovely material. This more of a light kavi color shade with a silver zari on both the sides. And throughout the body, a beautiful pattern, a floral pattern design running through the body. All completely thread weaved. And the pallu of the sari is this. And a very classy blouse. A jacquard pattern blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. And the price of the sari is 1130. Nice fawn color in the same pattern. Beautiful material. Soft khadi silk material. In that we have some nice lovely design with thread woven design. This is how the sari looks. Very, very classic. And the pallu of the sari is this. With a jacquard blouse. The blouse of the sari is a jacquard blouse. Very, very lovely design. And the price of this sari is 1130. Very beautiful khadi silk material, grey color combination with nice embroidery in pink and light grey. Looking really nice and different. Flowy material. And the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse is a jacquard blouse. This is the body of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1130. The next combo in the same pattern is going to be light blue, powder blue shade. Beautiful combination. Very, very lovely design. Looks really classic. This is the body of the sari, and the pallu of the sari is this with jacquard blouse for this sari. Next is going to be a light brown shade or pink and brown mix shade. This is how the sari looks. This is the body of the sari. Very, very classic, light, lovely color. This khadi silk material is just so awesome a material. Very, very easy to drape. The fall will be very, very nice. The next is going to be light mustard. This is the body of the sari, a beautiful light mustard shade. And the pallu of the sari is this. Very, very lovely shade. And the price of the sari is 1130. The next combo is going to be light green. Beautiful light green shade. Yeah. This is the body of the sari. A nice light green. Very, very lovely color. And the pallu of the sari is this. Blouse is jacquard blouse. This is the body of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1130. A very lovely Chanderi sari with a self weave inside the sari, also more like a Doria pattern design with a lovely batik pattern design running through the body. If you could see the Doria design, we'll just try to show you a closer look how the sari looks. It's completely weaved in a different pattern. This is how the body looks. Grey color with pink color pallu and a contrast pink blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of this sari is 1150. In the same pattern, it's a nice pink color combination Chanderi sari with Doria pattern. Beautiful batik design. The body is pink and the pallu is in contrast brown with a contrast blouse for this sari in brown. And the price of this sari is 1150. We have some lovely color combinations. Slightly different designs. I'll show you all the saris. The next is going to be a purple. The body of the sari is in purple. Very beautiful design, lovely pattern. And the pallu of the sari is in brown. And the blouse is in contrast brown again. The price of the sari is 1150. Next is going to be light blue. This is the body of the sari. Light blue shade with a dark grey color pallu, and the blouse of the sari is in contrast grey. Very beautiful design. The next is going to be a light kavi color. This is the body of the sari. Nice kavi color with brown color combination in the pallu with brown color blouse, contrast blouse. The next is going to be pink with grey combination. The body of the sari is in pink and the pallu is more of a bluish grey color combination with a contrast blouse for this sari in batik pattern. And the price of this sari is 1150. The next is going to be a nice light mud color shade. A very beautiful color, lovely design, beautiful color with a nice contrast in green. And the pallu and the blouse of the sari is this in contrast green. Very lovely design, and the price of this sari is 1150. A nice dark grey color combination in the Chanderi sari with golden zari borders on both the sides with a nice design running through the body. A very classic pattern. And the pallu of the sari is this beautiful pallu with a plain blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1250. A nice Chanderi material, dark grey color combination with batik design running through the body with small zari borders on both the sides of the sari. A very classy sari, soft material, and the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse of the sari is in plain grey, and the price of this sari is 1250. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 I repeat, it's 93848 Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.